Looking for the best oil dispenser bottle for your kitchen? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 picks that keep your cooking cleaner, easier, and a whole lot more precise. If you love quick, honest reviews that help you upgrade your kitchen, make sure to hit that subscribe button. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. TrendPlain Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. The TrendPlain Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen is designed for anyone who wants cleaner, more controlled cooking without the mess. This bottle features a sleek, durable design with a clear body that lets you see exactly how much oil you're using. The airtight, drip-free spout gives you smooth, precise pouring, perfect for everyday cooking, seasoning pans, or adding just the right amount of oil to salads and marinades. Now, let's talk pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages is its controlled flow. You don't end up accidentally dumping too much oil, which helps you cook healthier and keeps your kitchen cleaner. It's also easy to refill and simple to clean, making it practical for busy households. On the downside, if you're looking for a very large container, this one may feel a bit small for bulk storage, but for daily use, it hits the sweet spot. From my analysis, the TrendPlain dispenser stands out because it offers a good balance of style, accuracy, and usability. It feels sturdy in the hand, pours smoothly, and looks great on any countertop without taking up too much space. Using it is incredibly simple. Just twist off the top, fill your oil of choice, close it tightly, and pour with control. It works well with olive oil, vegetable oil, infused oils, and even vinegar, so it's a versatile tool for any kitchen. Why is it good? Because it helps you stay neat, reduces waste, and improves your cooking precision. Why might it not be ideal? If you need something extra large or industrial style, this may feel too minimal. But for most home cooks, it's a perfect fit. This dispenser is great for beginners, casual home chefs, meal preppers, and anyone who enjoys an organized, efficient kitchen setup. See the description for more details. Number 2. CXINYI Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. The CXINYI Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen is designed for anyone who wants cleaner, easier, and more controlled cooking. This bottle features a clear, durable container paired with a precision spout, giving you smooth and steady pouring every time. Whether you're drizzling olive oil on a salad or adding a quick splash to a hot pan, it keeps things neat, accurate, and mess-free. One of the biggest pros of this bottle is its anti-drip design. It helps prevent spills on your countertop, which means less cleanup and a more organized kitchen. The bottle is also made from strong, food-grade materials that hold up well to everyday use. On the downside, like most glass-style dispensers, you'll want to handle it with a bit of care to avoid damage. Using it is simple. Just fill it with your favorite oil, close the cap, and you're ready to pour with control. It works great for olive oil, vegetable oil, vinegar, soy sauce, or even homemade dressings. What makes it stand out is the consistent flow, the clean look, and the easy-to-use design. This dispenser is perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants better portion control while cooking. It's a great upgrade for small kitchens, modern kitchens, or anyone tired of bulky, messy oil bottles. See the description for more details. Number 3. Leaflai Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. The Leaflai Oil Dispenser Bottle might be exactly what your kitchen needs. This smart, easy pour bottle is designed to give you better control, reduce spills, and keep your countertop clean. It features a clear, durable container so you can always see how much oil is left, and the precision spout makes it perfect for everything from everyday frying to delicate salad dressings. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, it's simple to use, well-designed, and helps you pour oil with accuracy. The bottle is comfortable to hold, and the leak-resistant lid makes it great for everyday cooking. For downsides, if you're using very thick oils, it may pour a bit slower, and like most dispensers, you'll need to clean it regularly to keep it working smoothly. Personally, I think this is a practical tool for anyone who cooks often and wants better portion control without the mess. Using it is easy. Just fill the bottle, snap the lid on, and tilt gently for a smooth, steady flow. It's especially good for home cooks, meal preppers, and anyone who wants a cleaner, more organized kitchen setup. If you're looking for a kitchen upgrade that helps you cook cleaner and smarter, this is a solid choice. See the description for more details. Number 4. OXO Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. The OXO Oil Dispenser Bottle is a top choice. This bottle is designed with a sleek, drip-free spout that gives you smooth, controlled pouring, perfect for everything from sautéing vegetables to dressing salads. The body is made from durable materials, and it feels sturdy in the hand while still being easy to squeeze or tilt. Let's talk pros. First, the no-mess design truly reduces spills on your stovetop and countertops. The wide opening makes refilling simple, and the spout automatically closes when you're not using it, helping keep your oil clean and fresh. Another big advantage is how evenly it pours, which makes it great for both cooking and baking. Now, for a few cons, if you prefer a larger container for bulk oil, this bottle might feel small. And because it's built for precision, it may pour slower than some people expect, but that's also what gives it better control. In my analysis, the OXO Oil Dispenser Bottle is ideal for home cooks who want accuracy, less mess, and a more organized kitchen setup. It's especially helpful for anyone who uses olive oil or specialty oils daily and wants cleaner, more consistent results. To use it, just fill the bottle, snap on the spout, and tilt gently, no squeezing required. It's that simple. If you want a reliable upgrade for your cooking routine, this is a great pick. See the description for more details. Number 5. Flyboo Oil Dispenser Bottle for Kitchen. The Flyboo Oil Dispenser Bottle is designed for anyone who wants cleaner, easier, and more accurate control when cooking. It features a sleek glass body, a drip-free spout, and a well-balanced design that helps you pour oil smoothly without making a mess. This bottle is built to handle everyday kitchen use, whether you're sautéing vegetables, grilling, or prepping salads. One of the biggest pros is the controlled flow spout. It gives you the right amount of oil every time, which is great for healthier cooking and keeping your dishes consistent. The bottle is also easy to refill and clean, thanks to its wide opening. On the downside, like any glass dispenser, it requires a bit of careful handling to avoid accidental drops. In my analysis, the Flyboo dispenser stands out because it combines practicality with a clean, modern look. It keeps your oil fresh, reduces countertop mess, and adds a more professional feel to your kitchen setup. Using it is simple, just fill, close the cap, and pour. No leaking, no dripping, and no sticky residue around the lid. This product is ideal for home cooks, meal prep lovers, and anyone who wants more control while cooking. It's also a great upgrade if you're tired of bulky plastic bottles or messy pours. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use oil dispenser that helps you cook cleaner and smarter, this one delivers. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.